We all love to have a glossy locks. They are the universal sign of a healthy hair. Due to the dullness of their hair, some women face a significant challenge to have a glossy, healthy look in their hair. Dull hair can be caused by various factors, including product buildups, hard water, dryness of the scalp, and hair damage, nutritional deficiencies, and even some medical conditions. Today, we will be talking about how to overcome dullness of your hair. So, let's get started. Product buildup is the most common cause of dull hair. Hair with buildup often feels sticky, tangly, and repels water. All hair products have the potential to cause buildup due to their ingredients. Most of them contain ingredients that are hydrophobic, meaning they repel water. Curly hair can easily become dry due to the lack of sebum. Sebum is a natural oil give your hair a fresh, healthy look. This becomes more prominent when you get aged because the scalp produces less sebum when you are getting older. Lack of conditioning is another cause for dull hair, especially for naturally curly hairs. So you must need an extra conditioning care for your curly hair. Conditioners are acidic, so they lower the pH of their hair after shampooing. A conditioner contains a cationic moisturizing ingredient that binds up to your hair, creating a soft, shiny feel. My dear ladies, in my playlist, I have done a video, a conditioner with natural ingredients. Please watch it and make it and use that conditioner. It will help you to restore the lost moisture and will help you to reduce dullness. Another cause is hard water. Hard water contains more minerals, typically calcium and magnesium. These cationic positive charges bind to your hair. Your hair can be sticky, stripped feeling of your hair after shampooing. Installing a water softening system at your home, washing your hair with purified water are the most beneficial ways to prevent hard water buildup from happening. Water with chlorine and salt also damage your hair, cause dullness. You can use a deep conditioner or castor oil-like conditioning oil prior to going to the water to help your hair absorb less chlorine and salt water. Furthermore, prolonged UV exposure from the sun, extremely dry air, and harsh chemicals, pollutants from the urban areas can accelerate dull appearance of your hair. Out of these causes, there are some medical conditions as well. Thyroid disorders, alopecia areata, autoimmune diseases, and hormone imbalances, especially in PCOD ladies, have got dull hair. So I think this video will help you a lot. See you in my next video with a natural solution, a detoxifying hair treatment. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and you will not miss any of my newest videos. Thank you for watching.